Welcome dear student. Today we starts with the bleeding time. Aim of today's practical is determination of bleeding time. Requirements are filter paper, stopwatch, rectified spirit or ethanol, sterile lancet, cotton swab. Now what is meant by the bleeding time? It's the first functional platelet evaluation test introduced by the Duke in 19th century, used to detect defects in primary homeostasis, used as a screening test for vascular disorders as well as platelet function test. What is meant by the bleeding time? Bleeding time is the interval between the moment when the bleeding starts and the moment when bleeding stops. Normal bleeding time is, by the Duke's method, 1 to 3 minutes. The bleeding time is a test of platelet function. The time it takes for bleeding to stop, time for a platelet plug to the form. The template bleeding time is used when the test is performed by standard template method. Now introduction. The bleeding time is a test that is infrequently ordered nowadays. However, it may be requested by your doctor to assess platelet function or exclude von Willebrand disease. Easy bruising or bleeding, particularly from mucosal surface like the gums, may be due to decreased number of platelets, decreased function of platelets, or deficiency of von Willebrand factor, a protein that helps to platelets stick to a damaged blood vessel. And these parameters were previously impossible to test by any other means. Now principle, a standardized incision is made on the volar surface of the foramen. The time the incision bleeds is measured. Cessation of bleeding indicates the formation of hemostatic plug. Depend on the adequate number of platelets and on the ability of the platelets to adhere to the subendothelium. Methods are, first one is the standard template, second one is Duke's method, and third one is Ivy's method. Fourth one is the Copley and Lepage method. Now procedure for Duke's method are: step 1, sterilize the tip of the finger with 70% of alcohol or spirit and allow it to dry completely. Second step, prick the fingertip with a sterilized needle or the lancet deep enough. Step 3, start stopwatch immediately. Step 4, after 30 seconds, blot drop of blood on filter paper. Step 5, repeat the blotting after every 30 seconds till stoppage of bleeding. They do not touch the skin to the filter paper. Step 6 is stop the stopwatch as soon as bleeding gets stopped. Step 7, count the number of spots of blood on filter paper. And step 8, note the bleeding time in minutes.
Requirements for the practicals are lancet or the needle. Next one is the cotton, spirit or the alcohol, filter paper and the stopwatch. Stopwatch. Filter paper with the marking of 0 second, 30 second up to the 180 second. Lancet, cotton swab and the ethanol. Now the procedure is, firstly take the cotton swab. In that add the ethanol or the alcohol. Sterilize the finger with the 70% of the alcohol. Dry it. After the drying, prick it. Now place the one drop in 0 second. Start the stopwatch. After the 30 second, you have to put the blot on the filter paper. Now care is taken, do not touch the skin with the filter paper. Now wait for the 30 second. Place one drop. Wait for again the 30 second. And place the one drop on the filter paper. Again place. Now see, the bleeding is not stopped. Wait again the 30 second. And place one drop. Now see, here is the stoppage of the blood, and count down the bleeding time of the blood. And stop the stopwatch and see the reading. Here is the 90 second. It means the 1 minute and the 30 second is the bleeding time.
Observation are: now see the block on 0 second, 30 second, 60 second and 90 second. Result is bleeding time of blood sample was found to be 1 minute and the 30 second. Advantages: the simple procedure without a need for special equipment, relatively low cost, minimal scare formation. Now next one is the question bank for Viva. First one is, what is bleeding time? Bleeding time is the interval between the moment when bleeding starts and the moment when the bleeding gets stopped. Second question, what is a bleeding test? Bleeding test is a medical test that measures how fast small blood vessels in the skin stop the bleeding. The bleeding time test is used to evaluate how well a person's bleeding is clotting. The test evaluates how long it takes the vessels cut to constrict and how long it takes for platelets in the blood to seal off the hole. Next question, what is meant by bleeding time? Answer is, bleeding time is a laboratory test to assess platelet function and the body's ability to form a clot. The test involves making a puncture wound in a superficial area of the skin and monitoring the time needed for bleeding to stop. That is, bleeding site turns the glacis. Fourth one question, what increases bleeding time? Answer is, disease that cause the prolonged bleeding time include thrombocytopenia, disseminated intravascular coagulation or the DIC, Bernard-Solier diseases, Glanzmann thromboplastina, and the aspirin and other cyclooxygenase inhibitors can significantly prolong the bleeding time. Next question. What is bleeding time test used for? The bleeding time is a medical test that measures how fast small blood vessels in the skin stop the bleeding. The bleeding time test is used to evaluate how well a person's blood is clotting, and the test evaluates how long it takes the vessels cut to constrict and how long it takes for platelets in the blood to seal off the hole. Next question. What are three types of bleeding? Answer is there are broadly three different types of the bleeding: arterial, venous, and the capillary. Next question. What is the clinical significance of bleeding time? Answer is bleeding time is a clinical laboratory test performed to evaluate platelet function. It involves the creation of a standardized incision and timing the cessation of the bleeding. The historical medications were the preoperative assessment of patient taking aspirin or NSAIDs and screening for von Willebrand diseases. Up to that we have covered the bleeding time. Thank you.